Welcome to TaraBites. This video is going to be about yogurt. I guess my go-to has always been Yoplait. I think they were like the original yogurt of the 80s when I was born, so I kind of grew up when I did have yogurt with Yoplait. I'm pretty sure I've tried my grocery store brand. Well, it's not their brand, but it's a not as well-known brand, I guess. Lucerne. I don't remember how I liked it. And Chobani, I don't think I've ever tried. I'm pretty sure I've tried Greek yogurt at one point, but I don't think I was a fan, and maybe I just had a bad one. But I'm willing to try it again today. We'll see what happens. I got strawberry banana for all three flavors so they can duke out the strawberry banana taste test. We'll start with Chobani, which is a super popular brand, so I hope they do those people proud. I'm going to mix up the goodness. I do see some chunks in there. It's still very, very white even after mixing it, but there are some chunks in there. Just used to seeing more color, I guess, which is probably artificial color, so maybe it's better this way. Maybe that's a good thing. Way better than I expected. I must have had some crappy Greek yogurt the day I tried Greek yogurt. That's really good. Excuse me. We'll go to Yoplait next. This one already has pink color. I haven't mixed it. There's some chunks in there, a little bit of spots of darker color, but pretty much pink. I don't think this one needs nearly as much mixing. It's not the fruit on the bottom that Dannon used to make. That was my favorite. That had so much real fruit at the bottom, and I don't know if they just don't make it anymore or if my grocery store doesn't carry it anymore, but I remember eating that for years. So let's try the Yoplait. Good flavor. Stronger strawberry banana flavor, but this one is texture-wise it's thicker, creamier, I guess. I'm gonna have to taste that one again later. Let's see how this one. I don't know. I don't think this is like a fruit on the bottom one either. This one's like in between the colors of these two. We'll see if the taste stands in between as well. Very, very, very light pink. Just like an off-white almost. The texture is nice, but flavor pretty much non-existent compared to these two. Let me scrape the bottom just in case I am missing out on something. I don't see any chunks. It's just flavor of the yogurt itself. Very minimal flavor there. So it's down to these two. Let me try this one first this time. Really nice flavor. It's tough. There's something about the Chobani texture that I really, really like. But this one's flavor is so good. It's really strong. I'm thinking if I put this, like a spoonful of that into this one, it would be the perfect yogurt. But let me take another taste of this one with the chunk. It's really growing on me. However, Yoplait is getting my seal of approval.